Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So today we will continue the explosive series. So previously we have done this. So previously the flames were not visible, so I just restarted my project and it is good now. So when we were hitting, it was looking like this, and we also added one log. I just added one log which is here. I just edited this. Previously I just added directly, but we have to convert it to the string, so it will be visible there. And in the end I will just uncomment the destroyer. So previously we have added this thing, right? So right now, previously we were just overlapping the actors, and we're checking like who is in the radius, but we were not doing anything with them, so we will do that now. So what I will do, like whatever actors which are there, we will apply some impulse, then we will apply the damage. So how we will do that, let's see. So as we have already segregated according to the MAI base, all the actors will be of MAI base. So for each, and they will be out overlap actors, they will be the MAI base and overlapped AI. Okay, so first we need, let's imagine like our explosive were here and the player was here. What we will do, we will get the vector from here to here. So let's imagine this is A, this is B. So what we will do, we will location wise, we will like A minus B, then we will normalize it, so it will become the unit vector, then we will multiply it with some constant, so we can be uniform like when we will apply the force. Then I will apply the upward force, so it will give some impulse to the player. So this is our main motive, and then we will apply the damage to the player. Okay, so let's do that. So first get actor location, and okay, so the target will be at the left, so overlapped actor, no, overlapped AI dot get actor location minus, and then we will need to normalize it. So you Kismet math library normalize get the normalized unit copy of the vector. Okay, this is what we need. Okay, once this is done, I will multiply it with some constant. So I already have a constant in mind, but I will create it as a variable so we can edit it if we do want that. So int explosive force to player to AI, we can say, and by default the value will be 500. So explosive okay, I spell it wrong. Explosive force to AI, and I will add the upward factor. So how we will do that? So f vector 0 comma 0 comma, and here I will again put some force which is upward. So this is the upward force, right? So this will be our net force, f vector net force. Cool. This also we can put it explosive upward force to AI, explosive upward force to AI. So this is our net force, and we will launch the character. So overlapped AI dot launch. Okay, so this is taking him as actor. So first we will cast it to the character. We don't need to be specific as the MAI base, so I'm just casting it to the character. So overlapped AI dot launch character, and here we need to have the launch velocity, which will be net force. Do we need? Nope. False. So this is first thing which we need to do. Next thing is we have to apply the damage to the actor, and it will be the 100%. So how we will do that? So overlapped AI dot apply damage. Apply damage you gameplay statics. Apply damage. We will use the point apply, because in the AI base, if we will check, we are receiving the point damage. That's it, take point damage. So that is why we are point damaging. Damaged actor, which is the overlapped AI comma. Next is the base damage. It will be 99999 because it will be really high. Hit direction, it is the net force if I'm not wrong, and I think, let's imagine, so this is the explosion, here is our actor, so the hit direction will be this. So okay, net force will work, although we have to put it the unit factor, but this will work. Next is the hit result. Okay, we don't have it, so I will use the hit result empty one. Hit result comma. Oh, okay, we do have the hit comma, and the so this will be the player controller GPC. Okay, so give me a second. And so in the extras in mutils class, if you remember, we created these shortcuts. So for the player controller we have GPC. I will just update it, or let's keep it PC, it will work. So PC player controller comma the damage causer, which was this. What else? Subclass of U damage type. U damage type, and get a static class. This is done. Let's check if this will work, because sometimes as these two things happening suddenly in launch character, it should not simulate physics during the launch character, and this is happening in one frame. And the point damage, what it will do, it will initiate the ragdoll movement, like it will simulate the physics. So let's check if it is working. If not, then we will take it other way. Okay, so control B. Let me do one more thing. I will put this guy here so we can test this fast, and we can delete these two. Let's check. Yep, see, it is working, but it is not giving that effect because it don't give us that push. So what we will do, let's do one thing. We will put the apply damage. Let's comment this first and check if things are working as expected. If it is working fine, then what we will do, we will just put slight delay in between, then we will apply the damage. Shit, that was fast. Yes. Okay. Okay, cool. So this thing we need to do after some time, right? So get manager, world time manager, timer, f timer handler. We do need that f timer handler, timer handle, timer handle, comma, and f timer delegate, create lambda, create lambda, uh, create lambda. We want a function, so this will be the function, and here we need to put the timing, so it can be very like 0.2 or 0.3 will work for us. Next we do want to loop, no, false. So this is the function. So what we will do, we will apply the damage. For this I think we need to capture. So okay, so what it is happening, like this will run in another thread and this will be consumed in one thread, right? So what will happen, as soon as it will hit this node, this will run on some other thread. So this lambda which we are creating, and we used the end ampersand sign, so it can take the like parent class objects, right? So the member variables which belongs to this class, it can access it. If we won't do that, let's imagine we cannot access the like we cannot access those variable. We can also use equal sign, which means like we are using the copy of it but I do want to use the same variable. We don't want to copy the variable, so I'm using end sign. Okay, let's test the things again. Okay, control B. Okay, live coding success. Let's check. Access violation. We are having some trouble here. Give me a second. Okay, there is one more issue. Like after running this timer, like because this is running on some separate thread, we are destroying this, right? So if this destroyed first, it won't work and this will be null, so it will be an issue. So one of the things which we can do is like to create one more timer. Okay, we need to create one more timer handler, handle cross. It will be not able to, we will destroy after some time. So it will give us enough time, because like if 0.1 or we are just using some delay, it should work and it will destroy after 1 second. And we can do just one more thing, as these things will be visible, like for 1 second the mesh will be visible. So we will set the visibility to false. Set visibility to false. Oh sorry, I don't think it will. Okay, ball, perfect. Let's try it again. Okay, it's up, pressing G. Let's test. Again exception. Let's try it with some. Okay, let me stop. 0.1. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's not take the object, let's have the copy of the object. So I'm just interchanging and with equal sign, and we will destroy the component after 1 second. Let's check if the things are working right or wrong. Okay, it is up. First, I think like because we have restarted the system, it won't spawn the fire properly. See, it is coming black. So make sure that you have opened the FX. Once they have rendered correctly, okay, let me check the render particle and color. Everything is good. Let me cross and then that again. Okay, now these are loading correctly. Now try the level out again. Now it is working fine. So this was the second part of the series where we were creating the inflammable. If we will try to shoot that barrel also, see, it is working fine. Now dead bodies are dancing. This is the nice effect which I'm thinking. So this was it. Do like and subscribe. If you have anything which you are unable to understand, just comment it below and I will try my best to sort the things out as best as I can. Thank you and have a nice day.